Country Club Chic. This 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom home in the country club of Lakewood Ranch is what you have been waiting for. Tons of natural light, open floor plan plus a large private heated pool and jacuzzi. This highly desired Pacifica model is located at the end of a cul-de-sac and is tucked away behind tropical landscaping. Beautiful both inside and out, the interior goes beyond the basics and offers lighting in layers. Task lighting, gorgeous overhead lighting, new fixture in dining room, and various other light sources add depth and character to the space. Particularly distinctive are the windows between the cabinetry and countertops in the kitchen and the high placement of windows in the living room, master bedroom and baths. Offset tiled flooring, crown moldings and designer wall colors enhance the large 1,925 feet floor plan. Using a foundation of modern finishes, the kitchen design offers dark stained cabinetry that contrasts perfectly with the lighter stone countertops. The stainless appliance package, 5-burner gas stove, new microwave, paired with contemporary hardware and fixtures gives the gourmet kitchen an updated feel. A full wall of built-ins in the living room offer additional storage and presents a warm feel to the room. 4-panel glass sliders offer vision and admittance to the stunning pool area. Step outside to a sparkling in-ground pool, spa and deck area that is plumbed for a gas grill. Just beyond the pool cage are mature plantings that double as a privacy wall. Master bedroom allows the owner to feel pampered and spoiled. Set your king-sized bed beneath the tray ceiling and adjust the plantation shutters to control the natural light. Master bath boasts a frameless oversized shower, twin molded sinks and a private water closet. On the opposite end of the home is a spacious guest bedroom, and midway in the floor plan is a great home office space. Bedrooms sport new carpeting and the office has upmarket wood look flooring. Nestled on a private,